In this video, you'll learn how to request access for a Google Drive folder or file, so you can quickly get to the content you need without confusion or back and forth emails. Whether you've received a link from a colleague, a classmate, or a friend, I'll walk you through exactly what happens when access is restricted and how to handle it smoothly. Let's start from the moment you receive a Google Drive link. This might be sent to you over email, chat, or inside a document or message. Go ahead and click or tap that link to open it. Your browser will take you to Google Drive, and you'll see either the file itself, the folder, or a screen telling you that you need permission. If access is restricted, Google Drive will usually show a message saying that you need to request access or that you don't have permission to view this item. On this screen, look for a button that says Request Access. This is your main way to ask the owner to let you in. Click or tap that button to begin the request. Often when you click Request Access, a small window or prompt will appear. Here you may see the Google account you're using to make the request. It's important to make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if you use more than one email for work, school, or personal use. The owner will see this address, so it should be the one they recognize and expect. In that same prompt, you'll usually see a space where you can add a message. This step is optional, but it's very helpful and often speeds up the approval process. Use this message box to briefly explain who you are and why you need access. For example, you might say that you're in a specific class, working on a shared project, or reviewing a document for a team. Clear, polite context makes it easier for the owner to quickly approve your request without needing to reach out and ask follow-up questions. Once you've written your message, or if you're choosing to skip it, you're ready to send the request. Click the Send Request button. Google Drive will confirm that your request has been sent to the file or folder owner, and you can close that tab if you'd like. At this point, there's nothing more you need to do within Google Drive. Now it's time to wait for the owner to approve your request. The owner will receive an email from Google letting them know that you've requested access, along with the message you included. When they approve it, Google will usually send you an email notification. This email will contain a direct link to the file or folder, and from then on, you'll be able to open it normally using the same account you used to request access. If you don't see a response after some time, it can help to check your spam or promotions folder in your email, just in case the notification was filtered. You can also follow up directly with the owner through your usual communication channel and let them know you've sent a request. And that's all there is to it. You open the Google Drive link, click Request Access. If it's restricted, optionally add a short, clear message, send your request, and then wait for the owner to approve it so you can view the file or folder.